Alright, good morning. This is for my trig class. This is section 3.3, lesson 2. Our goals today are going to be to create the second logarithmic property, and I should have written this down, to use the second logarithmic property. So let me try and write that real quick. I've graded the first assignment. I believe all of you turned it in, so very good. The second assignment that was assigned is due today at 3, so make sure that's done as well. I'll keep this lesson short. It's really simple. Yesterday's lesson was about multiplication of two different logarithms, or two different logarithms with the same base, and we created an addition. Today we're going to do division, and let's just go through this really quick, and the assignment will be up, and we're done for the day. Alright, so before we start this lesson, I would just like to review one exponent idea. And the idea that we need for today's lesson is if I have a number raised to a certain power divided by the same number raised to a power, I'm actually going to subtract my exponents. So I need that in order to make the argument for today. And so the second logarithmic property that I want to create is I want to create the following concept. I want to create the idea that log base b of u divided by v will be equal to log base b of u minus log base b of v. Again, remember, going from this to this is considered expansion. And going from this to this is called condensing. Expanding. Alright, so we're going to create this formula. It's really simple to do. So let's just introduce ourselves to the players. If I have log base b of u, we'll say that's equal to a number m, and if I have log base b of v, we'll say that that is equal to n. I want to rewrite this as in its exponential form, so it'll be b to the power m equals u. And this one will be b to the power n equals v. So, yesterday's lesson, we multiplied these together. Today's lesson, we're going to divide them together. So I'm going to divide this equation by this equation, and since these are equal, it's a legal move. But I'm going to divide the left side into this left side, and this right side into this right side. So I'm going to just represent it as a fraction. So I'm going to now have b to the power m divided by b to the power n, and that will be equal to u divided by v. Now I need to use my rule that I had right here. So this is going to be now b to the power m minus n, and that's equal to u divided by v. What I'm going to now do is I'm going to rewrite this in its logarithmic form, but before I do, I want to make sure that I have not gone off of the whiteboard, which I haven't. I'm almost done. So here we go. So remember, it's log base b of u divided by v, and that's going to be equal to m minus n. I'm almost done. Now I'm going to replace m, which is this m, with this log. So this m now is going to become log base b of u, and this minus n is going to be minus log base b of v. So now I have log base b of u divided by v. That is equal to, now m turns into its other form, log base b of u. And I'm going to subtract n in its other form, which is log base b of n. No, I'm sorry, of v. So we've created our second rule. We see that it works. And again, you're going to be asked to expand it, and you're going to be asked to condense it. And that finishes today's lesson. I hope everyone's doing okay. Make sure your assignments are turned in. Tomorrow's video will be up, and we'll have that assignment done, and we'll be done for this first week. Again, like I said, I hope everyone's doing okay, and I will see you tomorrow.